Today we'll talk about how can you disable connections visibility on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here, and you click here on your name. So then you come to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here, just keep going down, and you click here on account settings. When you click on account settings, it's going to take you to this list. Just switching to open video. So it's going to take a time to open video here, and you click here on visibility. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on connections and come to this sign, click on it. The like you see color is gone. That's main connection visibility disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.